So I'm gonna try to do a short video today. I have these boots that I had since 2014. I got them at Shoe Dazzle and I really love them. And as you can see, it started to break just around, by the ankles. And that's because I did not have, that support that's, there. I took a while before I bought them. And now that it's gotten to this stage, I'm thinking of converting it into a bootie. And in my bathroom, I'm sorry guys, but this is the best place with the best lighting, so I'm trying to make this quick and short. I really didn't want to do this video, but I'm thinking, we love our boots so much, maybe this will help somebody later on. Works. So I measured from the heel to the ankle. I'll give it about 9 inches. Actually, I gave it 9 inches, and the reason why I left this gap here is because I don't want when I stitch and I try to fold it down, it's going to touch this thick area, which is kind of hard for the sewing machine to penetrate. And then I wanted to give it like a kind of arch look. So, and then I measured from the sole to the front to the top 10 inches, and I draw my line, and now I'm going to cut it. And I'm going to take this and put it against the other. Maybe I'm going to put it against the other booth, depending on how that works out. And maybe get the other one to match. Okay guys, so far it's turned out really well. I cut it, and I'm going to take the flap because I want to give it like a fold down effect. And this material is also peeling. So I'm gonna have to, let me see, it might be a little too wide. So I'm gonna take it a few inches. I hope I don't cut too much of the elastic to the back because I still want it to be able to stretch. But I must say one thing I had loved about these boots, the installation, it was really awesome. It really kept my feet warm during the winter. And I really love these boots. I'm so pissed that this has happened, but it happens when it's not leather and it's actually pleather. But it did stood the test of times. I must say, 6 years, longevity. This was worth the price. So that plan went south quick. Do you see those 2 markings right there? The first one is where I'm going to cut up to, and the second one is where I'm going to have to be stitching up to. So I'm going to eliminate the elastic. I really didn't want to, but it's going to be too much work just to get it back in and all of that. And I really wanted to have a curve, but there's enough stretch in the material, although it's not real leather. So it'll be able to work and turn out the way I wanted to. So this is what we're going to do, see? So I cut the elastic out. And honestly, I hope this does not turn around and bite me in the ass. So guys, I did not realize how fragile this thing was. I tried it and it's pretty much falling apart on both sides now. So now I gotta find another creative way to make this thing work for me, because I mean, I saw the end result was nice, but it's really, this pleather is not having it. The lining, the inner lining of the booth, and use that, since it's not really that fragile, and I'm definitely going to have to cut this down to make it work. So this is a trial and error. I would have used this, but I'm just pretty much over it right now, and I just really want things to come together. So this is the final product, and it took some trials and error, and I finally was able to succeed. My fiance actually told me, he said, don't go falling down and breaking your ankle now. We don't want nobody seeing what it looks like underneath. And I'm like, yeah, right. So guys, this is it.